change necessary yet.
Nee, wat? I don't think so. Niet jezelf kussen.
Verschrikkelijk. No man, you don't need fancy tires for this. Hierdie dinge hanteer.
Het is hard.
Ja.
You've got lots of traction here.
I got me a little mountain goat here, man.
What is this ETA till like the cottage?
Yeah, somewhere up top there. What's the time now? Oh, no, it's not a long road. We'll see. What's that banging noise, this thing? Yeah, we're not gonna find mud here, I think. This is just rocks.
But rocks mean grip.
Mm-hmm. Oei.
Die lê iemand se face.
Yeah, do you want it? In 'n hoed?
Stop gou. Nee, is okay. Not cool. It was cool, I'd take it.
Loot. You see, this is what I'm talking about.
Yes.
I want to damage my tires on that. I don't know where the wires are. I can't see them. So. That will rip a hole in your tire. Oeh, lekker. Lach je lekker. Are you having fun?
No, I like it. You know I like it. Vond waar, hè?
Mhm.
We should stop by the waterfall.
Yeah, we will. I think it's there where that house is. That abandoned house. Yes.
Looks.
It's cold.
So bikkie, ja.
That's just okay. Look at this. All right. So you wanna maybe get out
And guide you.
yeah? You want my rain jacket?
Nee, hè?
Are you fine?
Ja, moet ek jou guide?
Yes. I would greatly appreciate that. Yes. I've it's time for low range. Hang on. Wait, let me just get the what? Yeah, no, they should be fine. Maybe just come like this.
Okay.
Don't want to fall into the. Let's see. Yes, what was that noise?
Ek dink jy was uit die rad uit. Ek dink jy skip the gear.
Fucking hell.
Net 'n bietjie momentum.
Yeah. Shoo. That was lekker. Thank you.
I think I did a very good job.
You? No man, it's fine.
Wat is goed.
It is. No, I'm just gonna.
That's fine.
No, I'm just checking out. Yeah, it hopped out of low range. I'm gonna keep it in low range. Son of a bitch. There. No. Second gear, yes, there.
I think we're fine.
Yeah. It is not that rough. Grrr, what the f?
Spring hele tyd uit.
Why is he doing that?
I don't know. What do you know?
For high. That's not good.
Nou die tweede keer, nee. Spring uit.
Oh. Was 'n lekker gat daai.
Yeah. But if you can get through that, I don't think there's going to be anything much worse. Well, I hope not.
Don't think so. I mean, we can go down. It's like hy gaan soos like oor die berg hierdie pad.
So we don't have to come back this way?
No, we don't. Hey, come on.
Want daai dat is so uit op.
Yeah, I don't like that. It's never done that before.
No, you should maybe just ask on the forum or take it to Suzuki.
Yeah, no, for sure. Oops.
Dunk.
Askies.
Did you bump your head?
Yes.
What a bump.
What an absolute plonker.
Suzuki sweet.
No, I'm good, thanks. Help yourself.
Well, they're mine, darling. We did frequent the place opposite this last night.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ek gril vir daai plek. Oeg.
Is dit net ek of het 'n bietjie beter gelyk gestraat?
Who?
The venue.
Yeah, I did. I don't know. It's not like I frequent the place.
No, we've only been there twice. Not for a while.
Private property. No, it's not. I like my house more, okay?
Your knees.
It smells nicer in there. Wow, look at that view, eh?
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. That's what's... I think we passed that dam.
We did, yes.
Oh. Gorgeous, darling. Rocks. Like it. Yeah, we must just be careful there at that abandoned house for squatters.
Yes. I thought about that yesterday. I mentioned it.
I'm armed, so it should be okay, but still. If I see any other people there, I'm not going to go there. A little detour if you don't like them rocks, but these rocks are nothing, eh?
Yeah. Ja, doen nou net sê niks.
Ja, ek wil nie oor groot klippe ry nie. I'm just really thinking about like like banging my a rare, what's his name, on a rock. That's gonna be expensive to fix.
Jy geblouwer jou sap.
Sump and the, what's it called?
Differential.
Differential, yes. Sometimes my brain stops functioning.
As you doing this on a motorcycle.
Yeah, there are people who do that, eh? They adventure bikes. Yes, maar hulle slet neer hier hoor.
Ek sal glo jou. Slet. Soos is daar. Sien jy hom daarso?
Ja, ek sien hom.
Good job.
I got it. Next time I'm gonna ask my dad if he wants to come with here. So, kind of.
Bring you the FJ.
Yeah, that FJ will. It's nothing for this. This is nothing for it. It'll handle it like a pro. Because that thing's got serious all-terrain tires on it as well. And heavy-duty shock absorbers as well. Like this thing is stock standard. Yes, look at these rocks. Oh, Sahara.
I think you got it though.
Yep. Just go nice and slow. I'm gonna go this way. Ay, jou gat. I was waiting for that stall. So, wondering. Put the traction control. I actually kind of need it. Come on. Here we go. Yes.
Wow. You got it.
Yep. Now these rocks. Which way? Which way? Which way? Yeah.
Ag maar net vas.
Hou vas. No, I don't like those rocks.
I don't like that idea either.
Let me just get out. Maybe I should have gone that way.
Ek dink jy's
Up those rocks, eh?
Ja.
Let me just check it. Ay, jou gat. Here. Huh? Yeah. Fine. Right? Yeah, let's do that.
Ja. That's not a good idea.
Come on, bitch, reverse. Okay. My shoes are slipping on the pedals. It's wet. Come on, Maze. Here we go. I can make it up there.
Ja. Gaan ja.
I say.
Yes, you wouldn't look good.
Yeah, man.
Jeez.
Can't say that again. Woo. And the suspension is amazing too, eh?
Hierdie karretjie is
Yeah.
I mean, it's great. So,
That's right, I will just hardy-da them out. I sort of like my hardy-da sound. I want to check where that turn off to that house is?
It says 400 meters.
Around the bend. I wonder what that thing is. 75. What is that? 70.
Signboard that says 75.
It's probably watch where I'm going.
Yeah, don't look at the signboards. Nice.
Yo, I'm having fun, eh? Don't know about you.
Yeah. You're nervous there, but
Yeah.
you'll be well.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Pick your spots, girlie. Pick your spots. Yeah. Yes, this wind is crazy.
Yes,
There, I think the entrance to that house is there. It's somewhere in this cliff. I saw pictures of it. It's,
That looks like it, right?
yep. Oh, shut the f. Yeah, it's because I'm over a certain speed, then it starts doing that. Alright, let's see.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, I don't see any exposed wires. Should be alright. So, I've only got one spare. Shit. I think. Yeah, this one says. Let me check.
This is it?
I think so.
20 meters.
Yeah. I hate this thing when it's doing that. Yeah. Okay, the house is down there. Let's go. At least this is paved, so I don't need to put. Don't need 4-wheel drive for this. If anything makes you uncomfortable, just say go.
What?
I don't know. Anything.
We just did the most uncomfortable part. Well, that's all just was yeah, I like it. It's like getting up to coat.
Yes. So you do have a jacket, okay.
Keep my own back.
Yeah, so just imagine having a house out here. Eh?
Yeah, I don't want to drive that road every day.
No.
But yes, it's spectacular.
But then again, if you live here, why would you want to go anywhere?
Make a good point. Supplies.
You do that once a week.
Yeah.